I titled this video the cheapest E46 M3 in Canada, which the E46 M3 that I bought actually is. But I've owned the car now for about a year and a half maybe, going on just a little over 14 months, and it's a little bit more than a car. E46 M3, it's an iconic BMW that BMW did make from 1999 to about 2005, 2006. Mine is a 2004. It has exactly 330 horsepower from the factory. I don't really know what mine has at the moment. Really haven't dynoed it, but I don't care about that stuff. I did buy the car a bit rough. It did need a little bit of work, which in the beginning the Beamer was having a bit of issue, and I took it to BMW. They couldn't figure it out. I had to try to revert everything back to stock, and that ultimately solved the issue by putting the OEM airbox back in. But after I started to drive the car a bit more as a daily, I fell in love with the car. I fell in love with the car so much because you get to understand what all the hype is about the E46 M3. And it is truly a beautiful car. How it revs with the high RPMs and how it drives. It's very, very stable, very, very driver focused, very driver friendly, very engaging. Everything they say about the E46 M3, everything is true. Is it the best car in the world? I don't know, but it's a car that you can easily fall in love with. Mine had a lot of issues coming in, and I didn't care at that point, and which is why it looks the way it is. I think it maybe looked a little nicer when I got it as opposed to when it is today. So the major issue, like I said, when I got the car was every couple minutes after driving, it would throw a code. It would go into limp mode, and it would just be very slow. I'd have to park and restart the car, which again happened every couple minutes. Made the car unbearable to drive, very annoying. The dealership couldn't figure it out. A few shops couldn't figure it out. I get these 3 codes, it was running too lean, or in the mass effluent sensor code, something along those lines. And I got very frustrated that I couldn't figure it out. And I decided, you know what? If we can all figure this out after the dealer said, change the mass effluent sensor twice, I'm just gonna go to stock, and that's what I did. So I put the airbox from the OEM airbox back in, at least most of it. It's not complete, and it's run absolutely mint since then. Use liquid moly for the oil change. Use the recommended 10W60. Treat the car, like a baby. Get it mechanically cleaned. Do everything that I need to do to get it mechanically sound, and it's run absolutely fine. It's been my most reliable car thus far, and it's treated me phenomenal. I've taken the car on 5, 6, 7 hour road trips there and back. I've jump started a couple cars. I think I'm gonna put the clip in the video if it's not already been seen, but a lot of stuff with the car. I've gone to Home Depot and back and just loaded some 2x4s in the car, and it's been again absolutely phenomenal. Outside being a regular daily driver, it's lovely to drive and on the mountain roads. Takes corners really well. It's just a phenomenal car, and I'm gonna stop singing its praises. If you do own an E46 M3, you understand what I mean. If you don't own one, I'd recommend it's something that you'd want to try, drive, and experience. For many people who own faster cars, it might not be as thrilling, but the enjoyment of the E46 M3 doesn't come from driving fast in a straight line. It's taking those corners, taking it through a mountain road and just ripping it and enjoying it, and taking it through corners. It's really fun to drive, and a testament to what BMW were capable of, what the phenomenal cars that they build.
So this came just now. So it's the delivery of car, plus the delivery, of course.
Going into 2023, there's going to be a lot of work done to it to make it cosmetically good looking, as well as to match its mechanical ability. But so far now, we're just going to keep enjoying it, really keep driving it until we start to tackle some of the cosmetic bodywork. Let me know your experiences if you do own one. Let me know your concerns if you do want to own one, and we'll try to enter it again. I feel like we've mumbled on for this video, but let me know if you like this kind of style of editing or storytelling for a video, and we'll see how it goes. My name is MJ again. Thank you again for joining, and cheers. Bye.